followers, welcome back to my channel. It is DIY Wednesday and we are talking dry skin and stressed out skin. If anybody is like me at home and also struggling with dry skin, then keep watching because I'm going to show you my top products for making it like you haven't got dry skin, and then when you put your makeup on it will look even better. If you're looking for more videos just like this one on hair or makeup, hit subscribe and the bell to be notified when I post new videos up every Wednesday. I've been using at the moment a glycolic cleansing from NIP FAB. So I've been using this one, which has got olive oil in it, so it nourishes, but it was also like a gentle exfoliator because I've got the most dry skin. So if anybody else has been the same, let me know in the comments what your skin's like, because I know I've got a couple of friends who are still in the 40s as well, but are really suffering with oil and blemishes and things like that, whereas I tend to find that most people, clients particularly, struggle with dryness as they get older. So I've been using this NIP FAB maybe once a week, and then I'm using the Tropic in between that. So this is their smoothing cleanser, and this has got green tea, jojoba and eucalyptus oil in it. So I'm using the mixture of those two. But now I don't do a lot of washes on my face. I probably only use these once a day. In the morning I'll only use water to freshen my skin up, and I tend to use these in an evening and then put oils over the top to sleep in, just so I'm not over washing my skin and creating even more dryness. So I use both these with oily skins, and you'll probably prefer to use these morning and night just to make sure you're combating oil and reducing the risk of getting more blemishes. I am most evenings using this from Super Greens, and I think you only need to use this like maybe twice a week or something. You use this little, it comes with this little pipette, and this is the little mini bottle. So I got this as a freebie for spending, did I spend so much and you got it free I think? And I've been using this. Let me know in the comments what products you like to use, because it's always really helpful to know what other people are using out there and how nourishing they are. If you've got a really good tip for an exfoliator, I want to hear it. Once that is dried in, because this pretty much disappears into your skin and then you don't really feel like you've got anything on whatsoever. On top of that, I've also been using this Pixie Rose Oil, which I've used quite a few times in the other videos. So the greens is feeding, but then this kind of sits a little bit more on your skin, and then you can feel really moisturised. Now already you can see that my skin looks a lot more hydrated. And then if you are feeling a little bit pale and pasty, you're needing a holiday and you want to feel that bit better, I've been using the Skin Feast from Tropic, and whatever moisturiser you're using you can use. So I'd use this over the top of the oil, and then Tropic do these sun drops. These are gorgeous. Even the husband uses these and he likes them too. So again, it comes with this pipette, so you get some of the product in there, and then you mix this. I'm gonna do there's a good 3 drops there. You mix into your hands and rub everywhere. So you can take down your neck, up. So you use it over the majority of your face first. I take it through the middle of my forehead, so I'm avoiding taking it into my eyebrows and taking it into my hairline, because you don't want to end up with any orange patches. Take it across my eyelids because you almost want it to look like you've got holiday skin. And if you're also looking for a treatment, you can also use Lms Pro-Collagen Bar, which this is really thick, and some people might not like the smell of it. But you have this balm. Now I've done this a couple of times where I've mixed a tiny bit of this into my moisturiser as well and left it on for the day. So you can sleep in this, and you can use it as like a mask and then take it off. Now you know how easy it is to use all these products to combat dry skin. Why not come and let us know how you get on over on our Facebook Squaddies page. This is a growing Facebook group of like-minded people who are all looking for tips on how to perfect the makeup routine, for DIY hairstyles, and how to combat dry or oily skin types. So if there's anything that you're needing help with, come and find us over on the Squaddies page, and I will link to that below. Make sure you check out these next videos. This one is for a makeup routine, and this one will help you if you need a treatment for dry or damaged hair. Remember to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and share with your friends. I will see you on the next video.